Welcome everyone on my stream where I speak about that instrument what I trade and I'll try explain that what I traded on before week, what was great by my trading system and what we can wait on this week. First, S&P 500 mini. First what I waited movement to up, and if they will destroy this level, good movement to next target is new bottom. They give it just on this week, but anyway, on less time frame we could open that short and play to short all this movement. First good point for short was here. Second, but I'm waited provocation on use, but they didn't give it, and unfortunately I missed this point. Any point, another point was on this week here, and yesterday was also great point with great target. Now what I'm waiting now? I'm waiting movement, continue movement to down. I think that balance still on 5 minutes time frame still short, and they will continue movement to down, and that's why here I am waiting some accumulation, and maybe after that we'll try find the long. Now is short, and on less time frame we can try open short somewhere on provocation, or if they continue movement by steps principle, take on steps. Euro USD was great, but I waited one more time minimum, but after that I wanted see long. They didn't give it, and if you thought about short, great point was here was short movement. I tried take long here, but after when I received stop I took away my orders and was waiting another signal. I received stop. I trade every time with stop, and without stop I don't recommend trade. What else was interesting point for short here, but they gave also just on this week it. And now I thought at morning that can be point for long here, but when we spoke with our chat on conference, yes, I was agree with them that all long now it's against to balance and better waiting some short point and connect to short. Balance is short. What about bigger time frame? They still have this movement to down, and I think we can trade this step. Another target is below than 1.14 by contract, futures contract. British pound did all great on before week, did target, and did very powerful movement to up. I tried connect to this movement. I tried open short. First of all, I tried open short here, but when they didn't give target, I ran away from this level, and good point for long was here. It was amazing by reversal formation point, and we could play to long it. About this short, I'm not sure, because here I waited more higher provocation. They didn't give it. And if think about long somewhere here, also I waited confirmation. They gave it, and without any provocation continue movement to target. Today I tried long here, and with this stop receive it, and now I'm waiting short with target new minimum, and more probably on 1 hour time frame they can continue movement to down. They did this provocation and they can continue movement to down, because globally we have short balance, and this short balance still is alive, and we can play it. Gold. Gold hard. Gold was hard because gold did very powerful movement to down, and when we spoke before time, price was somewhere here, and I thought about short because all this accumulation was higher than that price what was, and I think I thought that they can go to down, but now we can see the range, still the range. They did provocation. If play too short, I opened short my here, I opened it, and after that I try and open some long here, close my short, and it was mistake. After that our guys open short here, here, and what I tried to do on this week here was amazing point for short. I put my limit, but they didn't give me because was not enough liquidity for all this, and it was unfortunately sad. And good point for short was here also, and target they did. Now what I'm waiting? I'm waiting or this short, or if they will go higher, more higher, I will wait some provocation and play too long, because on 1 hour time frame we still on the in the range, still on the bottom of it, and good point for long can be also very good here. Oil, what I tried to do, I didn't trade it because volatility is very big. Our guys opened short here with this target. I waited little bit higher all this time. They gave this point, but stop was so big and against to balance, and I don't want to trade it. And anyway, they did target. After this pulse I waited point for long, they also didn't give it, and now came signal, was signal for long here, and guys play to it, but I still without position because I think that we should wait some more deeply provocation and play more deeply. Australian dollar, they gave many good signal for short here. Here was good point for short, and after that was steps movement, but this steps movement was hard for trade. And if speak somewhere here on use, we could play to short, but anyway it's so on bottom movement and I don't like this trade. But now can be also a good point for short with continue movement to down. If not, if they do pulse movement back to this big range, I think we can play to long very free, very easy, and it will good trade. Guaranteed target here, but just when price will back to this range and make some fix. GPY USD, I traded it long. I opened long here, and but it was on before week. Let's see on less time frame. On less time frame, we had good point for short here. They did it and did movement to down. I opened long, not here. Here I didn't. I opened long here. But I closed my position. I closed part of position here, and here closed position before weekend because it was against to balance, and I don't left position to weekend against to balance. But anyway, on Monday they give point for long, and they give chance to play this all movement. And also I open position here long with this stop. And now I in this position, if they will go to up, it will great trade. and we have very good potential movement, and I think they can do provocation to somewhere here by formation and play with this target, with this stop. I think it will great trade if they will do it. National gas, I traded it short. I traded it short here. I opened short here, closed part of position here, here, and here. And last part of position I closed here. I left this position by weekend because all was normal, but I received stop and I missed this point for long. By balance, it was great point for long, and we can play it, but I miss it. And now we're on top. I don't know what say about 1 hour time frame because we're on target. It's too late to play too long, but anyway, balance is long, and on some deep provocation or on the middle of this range, I'll try open long with continue movement to up. I think that they will continue it. And copper was great on before week. I think that they will do now point for long and do movement to up. I think this week will also great for trading, and thank you for watching me. Hi, Adrian, and if you have some question you can ask me. If not, we will finish and see on next daily review, and maybe on next week, on every week stream. I think, I don't know what, maybe on October, maybe on November I'll do more stability by time in time it, but now it's all the time different time. Thank you for watching me. If you like this format, please put like. If not, put dislike. It's also interesting for me, know what you interesting, what not, and see you.